Nasabi na lahat ni Jess. Lahat ng importanteng bagay na banggit niya. Yan yung mahirap pagkasunod eh. But thank you sa lahat na nandito. Thank you sa lahat ng viewers na nanonood ngayon. And of course, alam natin na may bagyo na darating.
Oo, meron. Dumating na.
Pero, kami ang bagyo ngayon na darating. Thank you sa lahat na nandito. And yes, sabi nga ni Chelsea, diba? We're supporting the best shoe brand, diba? And the universe. So thank you, Jojo Bergais, and thank you sa lahat na nandito ngayon.
You're older, a mother, and recently you finished first runner-up at MUPH. How does it feel knowing that you've inspired a lot of women out there with your pageant journey?
Wow, knowing that, feeling ko, ano na rin yun, it's a win for me, diba? Na marami tayong na-inspire na babae. And sabi ko nga, no matter what season you are in, as long as your heart is there, as long as it's your passion, do it. Parang kay Jojo Bergais na walk and then win.
Thanks so much for that.
Sa akin naman, Maxine is my favorite. I've used that back when I competed in Bolivia.